Hello everybody. In this video, let us discuss about how to create a custom CSS pop-up model in the dashboard. Okay. So in order to do that one, let me open my dashboard. Okay. So already it is open. Okay. So this is a dashboard based on geolocations information. Okay. So here we do have product wise. Okay. So areas, regions, cities wise, okay, information we do have across various panels showcasing various kinds of visualizations and all. Okay, so this is the particular dashboard I do already have. Okay, so now this dashboard, in this dashboard, okay, so we can always, whatever the information I have said right now, so we can always provide that information, the description of the particular dashboard. If a new user is seeing the particular dashboard, we can always provide the information regarding this dashboard over here. Okay, below the heading of this particular geolocations dashboard is there, right? So description, okay, dashboard description below this one, before starting of this particular panel, okay, we can always provide information over there, okay, by giving a link over there. Okay, so we can always give a link over there, and we can always dashboard description we can always specify over there, and if the user clicks on that link, a pop-up, okay, model will be opened. CSS pop-up model will be opened. Okay, so in order to do this one, okay, Splunk uses its custom CSS frameworks internally. Okay, so we can always make use of the CSS and we can build this particular CSS model, pop-up model, okay, directly. We can always do it with a JavaScript as well, but we need not use JavaScript only, but CSS itself, by using CSS itself, we can always build this particular CSS model. Okay, so in order to do this one, I have to click on this edit button over here. Okay, once after clicking on this button, again we'll be seeing the source button, where if you click on this one, we'll be going into the source code and all. Okay, so if I click on this one, see, I'll be seeing the source code. So this is the dashboard description, right, as we have seen over there. So before starting of the first panel, okay, after the dashboard description and before starting of the first panel, we have to include this particular link. Okay, so dashboard description, like that, we can always include a link over there, so that if user clicks on that particular link, okay, so we can always use the we can always generate the pop-up model. Okay, so now what I'll be doing, I'll be pressing enter over here, and just like how we do have over here for the panels. Okay, so we do have several tags, just like a row tag, panel tag, like that. So in XML also, just like in HTML, we'll be using tags over here, and we'll be representing the particular panels. So first of all, I'll be creating a row tag. Okay, so if I close this one, automatically the closing of the particular tag will be given by Splunk itself. Okay, particular XML itself. Okay, row, if I have given as a tag, right, so closing of the tag /row it has created. Okay, so inside this one, what I'll be doing, just like how we are having over here, I have to create a panel tag. So again, I'll be creating panel. Okay, panel tag, and again inside the panel tag, because I am going to use HTML, so I'll be using another tag called HTML. Okay, so whatever the tag I create, automatically the closing tag will be created by Splunk itself or the XML itself. Yeah, so again the same format. Okay, so I'll be putting this. Okay, and now I do have the script already with me. Okay, I'll be showing you that one. Okay, so and also I'll be giving in the description as well. In the description link, I'll be giving this link to the particular script link. Okay, so that you can copy that and you can also use in your particular dashboards. Okay, so this is the particular script where we have to use. So here, what is there, as I have told you. Okay, so this is the triggering portion. Okay, so this is the link or the button, whatever it may be. So we are using a hyperlink over here because we have to have that link, right? So we'll be using a hyperlink. Okay, so with an ID provided over here. Okay, button 1 is the ID. Okay, and this data target is there, right? So this is the particular one which is responsible for opening the pop-up. Okay, so for opening a pop-up model, this is the particular one. This is the ID. Okay, so we will be giving a hyperlink over here with the ID and the data target as the particular name. Okay, so now once after coming over here, okay, so we can always give the text for the particular link. Okay, so here something like we can always give uh, dashboard description. Dashboard description. Okay, so like this we can always give, and again we do have a class with the id so that's what. Okay, so this is the one where it will be opening this particular class. Okay, and again this is the my model label is the right, this is the particular one which is responsible for opening this actual header text. Okay, so actual pop-up model it is responsible to open. So once the if by this particular label, okay, it will be opening this one. Okay, so once if you come over here, okay, so you can always remove this. Okay, so dashboard description usage or else geolocations dashboard, geolocations dashboard usage you can always give some name, you can always give like this. Okay, and so again you can always come over here, come down, you can always give the description, full description name. So something dashboard full description you can always give. So you can always give the same thing again. Okay, just like this. Okay, so you can put this one, and again if you come down, the application name you can see it as search and reporting. Okay, so you can keep the search and reporting itself. Okay, and again usage, so usage what we can do, we can always write some actual description of the dashboard. Okay, so I'll be writing as this is a geolocations dashboard with what is this actually, product details including country. So I have used all these fields over there, that's why, including country, city and region. We can put as using various kinds of visualization. Okay, we're using various kinds of visualization. So like this you can always give the what is the usage of the particular dashboard. Okay, so and again we do have the permissions. Okay, so here what we can do, we can always remove this one. Okay, and here we can always give so permissions, we can always write that the dashboard has permissions across all apps. Okay, across all apps, like that you can always give. Okay, so now scope and sharing, here also some description you can always give. So what I can give over here, the dashboard is shared across admin and power user. Okay, admin and power user with read and write permissions. permissions for user with read permissions. So actually it has been given like that only. Okay, that's why I'm writing like this. Okay, so this is the description that we can always write. So these are all the various parameters that you can always include if you know HTML and all. Okay, so I'm not going in detail into this. Okay, so and again we can always have a close button as well by using the HTML. Okay, and whatever the divs we have opened over here, we can always close these divs as well. Okay, so I am giving this link, as I told you, I am giving this link in the description. Okay, you can always copy that. Okay, and you can always use it. Okay, so now what I'll be doing, I will be copying this thing, whatever we have created over here. Okay, so basically what we have done, we have created a hyperlink over here. Okay, with an ID created over here, where with this particular ID it will be checking this particular model class and all with a label over here. Okay, so with this particular label it is identifying the particular body of the particular pop-up model. Okay, so now once after copying this one, what I'll be doing, I'll be putting this one in our particular HTML element. Sorry, it has not been copied. Yeah, so this is the particular thing. Okay, so until here it has been copied. Okay, so now what I'll be doing, I'll be clicking on save over here so that it will be saved. See, you can always see the particular thing as link. Okay, dashboard description. So if you click on this particular one, see the particular dashboard. Okay, the particular the particular CSS pop-up model will be open. Okay, so this is the thing. If you click on this close button, it will be closed. So like that, whatever the information if you want to showcase, okay, if you want to open in a pop-up model, okay, just like in your programming languages or something else, we can always do in our Splunk dashboard as well. Okay, so that's all in this video. Okay, again we'll be meeting with another topic in another video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.